boys and girls. Welcome to a very different and maybe a little bit strange edition of Assembly. By now you're used to me giving the little haha welcome to Assembly at the beginning, and you always get a little message from Miss King and from Miss Lindsay, and usually you get to find out what's going on in all the other classes. This term things are a little bit different, but we'll try to keep them the same as much as we possibly can. So here's my little message saying welcome back to term 3, even though you're doing it from home. Welcome to Teams to watch the assembly without me being there. And actually, this might work out better for me. Primary 5, you were always fantastic when I come to you for assembly on Monday, but you don't get to see what the other classes have been doing because they haven't done assembly yet. Primary 5, 6, you always work so hard for me and we have lots of time together to do our tasks. So you're going to be doing your tasks without me there this time. And Primary 6, 7, you won't be able to distract me by getting me to talk to you about nonsense. I know what you do. So this week, let's have a little focus. KNPS cares. Yes, we do. And how are we showing it? We are showing it to each other in lots of ways, and that's what some of the assembly is about this week. There's a section about our KNPS community where you'll talk about Linton Lane and Mandy, who works there, and the things that we do to help each other out. There is a section where Miss Lindsay is asking you questions about mental health and well-being and keeping each other feeling good. There's even a section from Miss King where she gives us another one of her super things to make us feel really fantastic. I don't know where she gets all her ideas from. So we'll be having a look at that. I also want you to have a little look at Emotion Works. We've already done the orange cog and you've done a wonderful display down in the hall with lots of different words for emotions and ways to describe how you feel. I would like you to concentrate on the yellow cog over the next few weeks. So this week, I'm directing you to the website and I want you to look for a task. I've named it on the assembly, I won't tell you what it is now, and I want you to do that little task and then think about the yellow cog for me. We'll do more on that next week. Okay? I look forward to seeing you all. I'll drop you a little message into your class teams, and if you've got any questions or any suggestions or anything at all you want to say about the school, whether we're running it in the school or from your house, you just drop it into the assembly channel and let me know, okay? I hope you have a wonderful first week of learning from home. Don't drive your grown-ups crazy. You've got to live with them for a little while yet, okay? And if you need any help, let us know. If you think you can help someone else, help them out, okay? See you soon. Have a great week.